Hello children, welcome to Awareness Skill Book, page number 67. Save the environment. Now first one is, what is environment? Children, you might have seen in our school, there are lots of plants in the school. So why they have planted plants in the school? So that you can get fresh air. So if you plant more trees, we get fresh air. So we have to plant more trees. Next one is, throw garbage in the dustbin. Always we have to throw the garbage in the dustbin, not near the houses. Use a bicycle or walk to go to nearby places. Whenever you want to go somewhere out, you can go by walk. Don't use bike. Because see children, nowadays the air is becoming polluted, and the smoke from the bikes, that makes the air impure. So always you must use a bicycle or walk to the nearby places. Switch off lights and fans when not in use. Some of them simply you on the lights, simply you on the fans when it is not in use. So don't do it. You have to switch off the lights and fans. Collect rainwater with the help of your elders. So most of you know that it is very important nowadays. Water is very important. So we should not waste water, and we have to collect rainwater with the help of your elders. Page number 68. Here you can see a picture. Do not pluck flowers. Yes, don't pluck flowers. It is not a good habit. It is a very bad habit. Do not litter. So whenever you are eating something, kurkure packets, biscuit packets, what do? You throw it on the road. Don't throw it on the road. Directly you have to throw in the dustbin. So this is very important. Do not burst crackers. So you know crackers you are using in Diwali. We always burn the crackers, and you can see the smoke coming out. That is very poisonous gas. So we should not burst crackers. Do not waste paper. Yes, nowadays children, what they are doing? They are opening the book, and what they do is they tear the page and make rockets. Yes or no children? So do not waste paper. Do not waste water. It's very important. Do not waste water. Whenever you want water, how much you need, that much only you have to use water. Then you have to close the tap. Do not use plastic bags. So yes, that is also a very bad habit. Should not use plastic bags. Next page, talk about the pictures. How are these children helping the environment? Yes, you can see here, this child is carrying all the garbage and putting in the bag. And then here this boy, he is cleaning. See this girl, she is throwing all the bottles in the dustbin. Then here watering the plants. Then here what she is doing? Growing plants, planting the plants. Okay. Then here, see here, so beautiful plants are there in the pot. So children, this is a very important thing. so that you can save the environment. So these are all things you keep in your mind. This is just a talk to you. Okay, children? See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.